Pusat and Connects program is actually a project that leverages of social development and enterprise for the benefit of society. We basically offer trainings for the Pusat Internet managers and also the assistant managers. The content of these programs includes capacity building, digital services, and so on. One of the training that we give is service learning. And in service learning, we engage the Pusat Internet, which represents the community, and the university, as well as industry. And the three entities work together.
A service learning program is where they not only limited to what they learn in class. Okay? So what they learn, the theoretical, the learning units that they learn in class, they practice it to the community. So they deliver it to the community. So that's what program service learning is.
Something that's very good because my student seems like they got to what they learn from this university can actually contribute to the community to use it. So this is something that they're very happy about it.
We got another request from Kampung Quop. They need assistance how to promote, how to make them visible to the outsiders.
Servis ini sangat bagus sebenarnya yang boleh membantu kami especially kepada usahawan dan juga kepada golongan remaja dan community setempat.
As an IT student, which I can share knowledge on my rigs, which can help them to promote their products and get more orders and in a way to increase their profit. It will be a good opportunity, which will be a win-win situation for us, which I can give my knowledge and I can also gain knowledge from them. So it got quite fun and got a new knowledge from today.
I think that service learning is really a recommended approach to carry on, as I used to get to know the Iban culture and the students from the United States like very short period of time, and this leads us to succeed.
With service learning, it will help me to understand in the cultural diversity, and especially in terms of their culture and language.
Good for our business, something new, why not? So that we can memperluaskan our perniagaan, let people know through this website.
We use the service learning as part of these activities to collect some information data together with Cornell. And we also deploy a tourism website for them.
Pelajar yang datang sini juga membantu pihak homestay untuk membuat website dan juga membuat macam mana mengendalikan tentang menggunakan website yang sepenuhnya untuk kemudahan homestay berinteraksi dengan para pelancong yang akan datang ke sini.
Banyak menguntungkan pikiran penduduk kampung.
Melawat ke homestay semua lah pula secara yang semua rumah panjang. Sama tuai rumah tu rumah.
Terima kasih kepada pihak UNIMAS.
Thank Pusat Internet, pihak UNIMAS.
I would like to say thank you to Cornell University who came from the United States and the research team from the UNIMAS.
I was very thankful to the Cornell University, UNIMAS, ISITI-CRI, and Machan community.
And lastly, the Machan rural communities, they give us a good opportunity to learn and carry out the project smoothly. We use what we learn and benefit them. That's good for us.
Jadi program mengarah maju atau maju kita pada nama kita buat kami siap jalan. Madah dia ni, madah kita tuai internet tu ni, kemukai kitaได้aku.
Saya sebagai ketua kaum ucapkan terima kasih kepada penganjur penduduk di Pusat Internet Machan kerana banyak yang dirancangkan sebagai aktiviti, sebagai apa yang menguntungkan penduduk rakyat di Machan.
Saya mengharapkan pihak penganjur dapat membuat lagi lah satu projek untuk membuat kajian apa saja. Komuniti akan membantu dengan sepenuhnya.
And hopefully this collaboration between UNIMAS and Quop will continue on, and we are bringing in students to continue to engage with the community in the central region.
We thank the community to cooperate with us, and thank you.